This morning we're signing contract documents for the construction phase of the apprenticeship project in Longford. So it's an exciting morning. It's the first time training as an apprenticeship schemes have been offered to the public in Longford. It's an upgrade of our campus because up until now it's just been education only. So it's a fantastic day for us all. The main building that's been refurbished is what was the gymnasium building as part of the barracks site. So that particular building is being transformed into 4 electrical workshops. Each of those workshops will train 14 students, so we'll have 4 classes of 14 on site. We also are building as part of this programme a new canteen which will serve all the site, and that's going in what was the ration store on site, an old stone building as well. So as well as new services being provided on site, it's bringing older buildings that are of historical interest back into use on the campus. The main contractor on site will be Elliott's, they're a Cavan-based company and a long-standing building tradition. They will refurbish the gym building, so it will involve a new roof actually being installed on the building, a new glass lantern across the centre of the building to bring more natural light into the building, and then heat pump technology, so a low carbon footprint heating system will be installed as well.
Well, we're here today to sign contracts for the construction works in relation to the new training centre and canteen at Connolly Barracks. Training and apprenticeships are very important to the construction industry and will be a great asset to Longford. Elliott Properties Limited look forward to working with Longford Westmeath Education and Training Board, the Blackham Mar to deliver the project. We would like to thank Brian Higgins, Aoife Davitt and the board of the Longford Westmeath Education and Training Board for awarding this project to Elliott Properties Limited.
SULAS are our main funding authority, and they have, I suppose, they've bought into the vision that LWETB have for the site, and with the funding that they have made available to us, they have allowed us to proceed with the projects on site. As you might know, Connolly Campus was Connolly Barracks initially, and the local authority, they've been very supportive of the construction work on site, and without them giving us that support, it would have been much more difficult for us to carry out those projects. This marks a key milestone in the development of the site. The initial work that took place over the last number of years, I suppose, was to bring more life back to the campus. It was always with the view to having a flagship project like this come to the site, which I think befits a site of historical interest like this. I think it'll give a high quality environment that lends itself to a high quality educational experience that we're trying to provide for our students and learners.